ready.
All right. Open up my quiz. Okay.
Yeah. Now, what is it? Wait, that's boring.
All right. We start with number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. In a pie chart, why are the sectors different sizes? Sizes. Each sector is carried. Isn't it the second one? That's what I think, right?
Yeah.
So each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents a portion total occupied by the category. All right, so how are bar charts and Pareto charts related? I just looked at that. What was that?
I think it's the last one, right?
Yeah.
The only difference between bar chart and is it? I'm not sure.
Yeah. I think so.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is looking.
All right. So, 5. We conclude that the little bar thing is normally distributed if n is greater than or equal to 10, and n1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10. Is p the true proportion or the sample proportion? Oh, which one is it? It's the sample proportion, right? Isn't it?
Well, isn't just regular P the true proportion, and then P hat or whatever it's called is the sample?
Oh.
Yeah, P hat is the statistic or whatever, the sample.
Okay, where do I find that? Where's that?
Yeah, is it? What section in the reading is it under? Because I'm looking under section, the very first one, 2.1.
Oh no, it does. When it says 3.2, it says if the sample size is large, it's sample proportion, comma p before the bar thing. So that's the.
Oh yeah, okay, there we go.
So it's true proportion, right?
It's true proportion.
Oh, and then n is the size, right?
Yeah.
Sample size. All right, so then 5 was
True proportion.
true proportion. Okay, yeah, because they originally said sample. So.
And then n is sample size. So, okay, 7. I don't know why I couldn't get this one right on the quiz, the homework quiz. They had one on like homework quiz, kind of like this. Or kids, for example. And I'm confused because it's supposed to be like.
I think it would be 40, wouldn't it?
What is like?
Well, because like what I did is I basically plugged in the 1/4 for p in both equations and set them equal to 10 because it has to be at least equal to 10. So like for the first equation, you end up with n equals 40, and then for the second equation, you end up with n equals 9.25, but 9.25 wouldn't satisfy the first one. So I feel like the smallest n would have to be 40 in order to satisfy both equations. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Seeing something in homework.
Yeah, for each of them.
Are we going to 40?
So you just do that for everyone that else can see.
That's what I think it is, but if you guys think it's something different, I mean, I don't know.
Okay, Allison made her daughter Adeline. Ramos. Adeline. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so are we going with 40? I don't think anyone is saying different.
Yeah, I think it makes the most sense.
I thought I remembered seeing something in the reading about that, and it used like 1/10 or something. And the answer was 100.
Yeah, let's see, that wouldn't that be? Yeah, that was under section 3.22, the median standard deviation. Or is that? Or no, that's for the next question.
Well, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing? Are we just leaving at 40 and going to the next one, or are we trying to figure it out still? Does anyone disagree with 40 or would like to continue figuring out if it's different than that?
So I don't know if you guys are seeing this in the group chat, but apparently I can't hear Jill at all. So I don't know if you guys can at
Oh,
all or not.
is that what the problem is?
That's probably it.
Oh, I did not
I mean,
have.
I didn't notice it until she posted it just like a couple minutes ago.
I
So that's probably why.
was like, what are we doing? Okay. Uh, so her mic just doesn't work? No, the volume's up.
Well, yeah, I don't know. Just asked her all that, and she said that's good. So I don't know. Let's hope this works to get her back in.
Scotland, yours is working and everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Hmm.
There's always at least one weird technical difficulty that happens with.
Yeah.
It's weird though, because hers was working at the beginning and then all of a sudden it just stopped.
Yeah.
It just gave out. That was weird. So I see we're eating. Maybe some of us are.
I was like, what the heck are we doing? No one. Hmm.
So should we just go on to the next one?
I guess. Did she leave again? Yeah, she did.
Yeah, I think she's gonna try it again. She's gonna try leaving and then joining back in again. That's annoying.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well.
Alright, so let's.
Okay, she said she's good with 40, so.
Alright, let's move on then. Okay, so this one is use the following information to answer questions 8 and 9. Suppose n equals 24 and p equals 0.4. What is the mean of p?
I put 0.4 because I remember in the reading it said the mean of like p hat equals p.
Oh, yes, it does. 6.4. And
So deviation.
oh, so is that it's like the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we take p times that's 0.4 basically times itself.
Oh, wait a second. 1 minus.
Okay, so let's see. So see if I get this right. So 0.4.
I got 0.01. Is that total
Yeah.
wrong?
Oh, wait. I just got 0.1.
Okay, let me try again. Um,
Well, now it's down.
I got 0.07 or 0.08 after you round it.
what did Jill get? I got 0.01 again.
Did you take the square root of that?
Oh, nope, that's why. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Well, I think they.
Oh, wait, I think I forgot to. Oh, alright, never mind. I forgot to do the square root at the beginning. Square root.
Okay, so then I get that. Cool.
Alright, so so what'd you guys end up getting?
0.1. Did you get that?
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I take it's 0.4 times 0.4, and you divide that by 24, and then you, or is that not the right equation?
So,
Because the in the reading I'm using the on question 10 under the mean and standard deviation I'm using that one. What is it?
I'm gonna like type it in here and see if that's easier. So you take P times 1 minus P divided by N. I'm sure that's right. So I took 1 minus, oh sorry.
Oh, so it's P times 1 minus P
Yeah.
divided by N, and then you square root it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. So I was doing the wrong one then. Because in the example below that, there in the reading, looks like it's a looks like it might be a different equation. Oh, so 0.1 is what I got.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right. There we go.
Okay. This one information. Thank you. Okay, so this So is it, oh, never mind. So is it 35 divided by 100? Is that what it is? 35 over 100?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so 10 is 0.35.
Yes.
Alright, so now the standard deviation. So there's the equation for this. Oh, so we just do the same thing as we did in the question. It's the same equation for question 9, right?
What did
I
you
got 0.04.
I got 0.046. Looks like that's what Jill got to.
Okay. Okay. I think we're good for the next one.
Right.
Or am I missing something? Okay. So what's the z-score?
Yeah, I got the same z-score as Jill.
One second.
Yeah, that's what I got.
What'd you guys get?
1.087.
Yes.
Yeah, and then for number 13, we would use the probability output.
1.07. Let's see, I think I might have. I don't know if I'm missing a step or not, but I got 0.5 after doing the equation to get the z score. Because I just took the standard deviation from the previous questions and just took the values, plugged them in, and that's what I got. I don't know if I've missed a step or not. So was it again for 12? It was 1 point.
Which way do we shade?
We shade everything to the right of the z-score because it's saying what's the probability that she gets at least 35 hits.
Okay. Find area more extreme than this. So then I got 1.39 or 0.139.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Then I'm going to compare it to one of the cards that I have in the wall. That's already. I'm making, I'll make a table all the way. Underneath it. Just going to explain the card in the wall.
Are you guys working on number 14?
Oh, on what?
Are you guys working on number 14 already?
No, I wasn't.
No.
I'm just waiting. I didn't.
We're going on GL to respond.
So did you guys get 0.011 for 14? Or we? Okay, there. She is.
I got to 0.0001.
What?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing. I mean, I take 1 minus p times that by p and then divide it by n. And then
Do
you
you,
take this, oh wait, never mind. No, I missed the square root. I'm always missing a step. Alright, so 0.01.
We got 0.011.
Wonder what I'm doing wrong.
So what I do, just to make sure I don't like mess up or anything, is I take 1 minus p divided by n and then multiply that whole thing by p and then take the square root.
Interesting. Yeah, because what I do is I take 1 minus p and then I take that times by p, and then I divide by n and then I square root the whole thing.
That might be what's causing it to get something different. Because I think it's p times that whole like equation, like 1 minus p over n. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So
So
yes,
try
you take one. So you take 1 minus p, and then you
Divide by
divide that to divide by n, and then 3 you multiply by
By
p, and then 4 square root.
And then, yeah, take the square root of that. Really
All right. That's weird. Why am I still getting 0.01?
I don't know. That's weird.
So weird. What?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes!
Oh
Yes,
my
there we
gosh!
go.
I'm on my husband's computer, so there's something weird with my computer. It's just pissing me off. I'm like, oh, I can't talk. So
So weird.
I'm gonna have 2 computers now. Okay. Like my computer, it's like being all slow and weird, and I don't know what's wrong.
All right.
Okay, so we're good.
All right, so
Are you guys still on
So 14.
0.011, right?
But we can't figure out how come John can't get there.
Yeah, I don't know. It's weird because I don't know. Maybe, well, because wait. So when you guys plug it into your calculator or your phone, do you just type in all the steps just all on one thing, or do you do them each individually?
I just did 0. Well, because I did 1 minus the p, which is 1 minus 0.52, and I got 0.47, right? Or
I got 0.48.
48. That's what I got. Yes, and so I did 0.48 times 0.52 divided by 2,000, and then you get like that weird 0.0001 number or whatever, but then you have to square root it, and then you should get 0.011.
So it's, yeah, on mine it says 0.0001248. So
So you square root that.
0.001.
That's weird.
Yeah, and it still comes out as 0.01.
That's what we got.
Oh. Well,
0.011.
But like, there's more numbers after that.
Yeah.
that's weird how mine doesn't show any numbers after the after the first one. It doesn't show any additional numbers.
There's gotta be something weird that's going on in the calculator. So I just like that number that was like 0.00012 something or other. I just like typed that in and then like cleared everything out of my calculator and just took the square root of that, so there was nothing else. I don't know if like, I don't know, John.
But I mean, you kind of got it. You just don't get all the rest of the numbers.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
So
Anyway, we're on 15 then, I think.
all right. Are we going to 15?
Yes, if everyone is okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine.
What z-score would you use?
So I have a question. So, for p hat, like, what do we use for x exactly?
Isn't it 0.52? Or no?
Is that what you use? Is just p
I think.
for x?
Well,
I think it has it here on the notes. Let me see.
Because it says in my notes it says x is the number of individuals in the sample with the specified characteristic. So
So I already submitted my quiz, and this is the only question I got wrong. But I did the exact same thing that I did on the other z-score problem, so I don't know why. I don't know, because I ended up putting 0.5 minus 0.52 divided by 0.011, because I assumed that since you're trying to look at getting less than 50%, I just assumed you were taking like 50%.
Yeah,
Of the
that's what
population.
it did in the book too, or in the. So wait, maybe you're right, because it would be well.
But
So
then I got the wrong answer, so
What did you get for your answer?
I got negative 1.818.
Okay, I'm gonna see if that's what I get. Let's see.
Because then I got the probability right, so I don't know how I can get the probability right but have the z-score wrong.
Yeah. That is weird because I got that same thing just now. Negative 1.818.
So I mean, I guess we could email him because I'm just curious if that's like a typo in like the key, like the grading one. I don't know. Because I don't understand how you can get the probability right if you have the z-score wrong.
Yeah, are you talking about for number 17? Is that the one you got
Yeah.
right?
I got that one right. But I used the z-score I got in number 15 to find that, so I don't know how I can get that like right but have the z-score wrong.
Oh, because did you just you put that in there and then you took the area? Is that the answer or no? Is that what it is?
Yeah, like I put that in the probability applet and took everything to the left of that z-score.
Yeah, then that's gotta be right then because I mean.
Yeah.
Weird. Wait, so what was it again? Negative
1.818.
And then 16 was the top one. Would be the top one, right?
16's the bottom one.
Or the bottom one?
Yeah, because you have to shade everything to the left of the z-score you get, so you can get less than 50%. and the lowercase z signifies the z-score.
Oh, okay. And then 17.
You got, did you get for 17 0.966?
For 17, I got 0.035.
Wait, you shaded everything to the what side?
Yeah, to the left side of the negative z-score.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense. 0.035.
Well, that's weird. I wonder why 15 is weird.
Alright, I'm just gonna, I don't know what that would be then, though, like the z-score.
Yeah, I don't know either.
That's weird.
I'm just gonna submit it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's weird. Alright, I'm starting the next one.
Yeah, so 3. Isn't it just P?
Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah.
So, for the requirements for constructing a confidence interval satisfied. True or false?
Um, and P hat is greater than 10. Greater than 10.
How do I figure that out?
It's in the lesson under 2.2.1, I think. Says confidence intervals are valid whenever n p hat is greater than or equal to 10 and n times 1 minus p hat is greater than or equal to 10. So that one is met.
Oh, so isn't it just
I think it's true.
Yeah,
so?
I said it.
Okay. So 100 times. Wait, it needs to be greater than. Wait. Times. But isn't it less then? Because don't you just multiply 100 times 0.10?
Yeah,
Yeah.
up to 10, and it just has to be greater than or equal to 10.
But I got 1.
100 times 0.1?
Wait. Oh, that's weird. Now I got that. Now I got 10.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, I don't know what I did. Okay, so that one's true. And then the requirements for conduct. Is it supposed to be conducting or conducing? The hypothesis like test or satisfied or hypothesis test.
So 1 times P. Ugh. Okay, so balance that.
So is it basically like what we did the last lesson, right? NP is
Yeah.
greater than or equal to 10, and then N. Okay, let's see.
So is this one false, or did I do something wrong?
I got that it was true as well.
Okay, I think that I did the second part wrong. Oh, duh. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, I got that. It's true.
Yeah, so it's 25 and 75, right?
Yeah.
So that's true. Okay. Do you have that, John?
Yeah.
All right. A study of first-degree murder trials were conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Use of force pushes 6 to 8. So find P, the point estimate of the portion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in this state. So just do.
So is that 0.75?
That's what I got.
You do, because it's x divided by n, right? So is it 45 divided by 60?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And what you guys got 0.75?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and so then for this one, it's kind of like the last unit, right? Kind of.
Kind of.
Let me find it. So do you use the same 95? Like what is it? It's like 0.
So for 95, it's 1.96.
96. So then, well, this just looks hard, annoying. So.
Annoying.
So is that like p minus z score times the square root of all that?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then P plus.
So you would do would you do p minus z score first?
Well,
Or do you do,
I might just like do it and then write it down and then do the equation kind of thing. But that's just because I don't.
like, are you supposed to do the z score times the square root and then p minus that answer?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, so it's not P minus Z score times that. It's P minus
Yeah.
Z score times all that.
I solved everything in the square root first, multiplied it by 1.96, and then I did 0.75 minus that, and then 0.75 plus that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is so complicated. Well, it's just so many
Yeah.
steps. It's
Time
annoying.
consuming.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
one, two, wait. What was it?
No.
Wait, n is 60, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got the second one.
That's what I got.
Ellie. Ellie.
My dog. Oh. Anyway.
Yeah, I got the second one too.
So are we supposed to like know like what that does, like decrease or increase the number 8, or are we supposed to actually put in 80 for the n and figure it out like that?
Well, didn't we kind of talk about that in our last?
Yeah, is this easier? Does it?
I feel like you can kind of just guess because 80 would go on the denominator where 60 is,
Yeah.
and if you have a larger denominator, then you'd have a smaller number.
Mm-hmm. So it decreased.
Yeah, I put that it would.
Right. And then for 9, to conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements must be met. Suppose p equals 1/2. Suppose the smallest n can be, and both requirements still be met. So is this the same thing like last time? The last lesson?
Yeah.
The hypothesis test. Okay, so it would be, wait, but, oh, okay.
Will you wait for me? You wait for me?
Colin, stop laughing.
It was so funny.
Okay, so okay, so I got Wait, what did I get?
So
20?
that's kind of what I was thinking. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I got 20.
Okay.
I'm
I
like,
get confused at the second part of the hypothesis test. Like, do you plug in what you get for n into the second part?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay. Because then I got, like, it equaled 10, so that was good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's what you do. Alright. And then we just do the same thing for the next one, too.
Yeah.
Okay, so... And, like, 0.1, 0.2,
So it has to be 100?
well,
That's
it...
what
What? That's what you got?
we got that it has to be 100.
Okay, that's what I got for the first part. I just didn't check it with the second part yet. 100, it would be 100, 1 minus 0.1. Or, no, 100 times 1 minus 0.1. Yeah, so that's good. Okay. Do you have this, John?
Yeah, yes, it was 1 minus 0.1, right? And then you take that times it by 100.
Yes. And so you get 90, which is bigger than, well, that's what I got, 90, which is bigger than 10. So then 100 works. Okay, so then for question 11, conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Let's see.
So then the answer for 10 was 90. That's all we had to do, right? There wasn't
Yeah.
any other
Yeah.
there wasn't any other steps.
Nope.
Is 11 true?
Wait, what did you say 10 was?
100?
Okay, that's what I thought. But then I thought I heard someone say 90.
No,
Oh,
that
no,
was
really. That's
Okay.
what you get.
so.
90 is greater
Wait,
than.
so
Okay, I gotcha.
it's 100 then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it works in that second equation. Like it's greater than 10.
Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
You scared me for a second.
That's why I always get confused because I get 100 for the first one.
Sorry.
And then I get like a
Sorry, I
different.
just confused everybody.
Okay.
So is 11, is that true? Do you just do 80 times 0.6? And then, is that what you do?
Yeah, I
How
got
did
true.
Okay. Like, is that what you did for it? Or I feel like it seems like it should be more complicated. I don't know.
No, I pretty much did the same thing we did for like number 9 and 10.
Okay. That's what I
I
just
just did I did n times p, and then it was greater than 10, so then I did n times 1 minus p, and it was still greater than 10.
Okay.
Hmm.
So then, what is p? P is x divided by n, right? I always forget. Okay. So it
Yeah.
would be 38 divided by 8, or 80.
I got 0.475.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Yeah, 0.475.
All right. And then, so this is basically like review from last lesson, kind of.
Kinda.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Z would be, oh. So, would it be, what's the top, like the top part of the equation for Z? Would it be,
Isn't it p hat minus p?
Yeah.
yeah, but what is the p hat?
We just did that.
Oh, duh. Okay, so, okay. Just kidding. Come on.
So then what's P then? If it's P hat minus P, that would be 0.475 minus.
And then
0.6.
0.6.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right. I see it.
Oh, we haven't found the standard deviation. Stupid calculator. Okay, go back. Freak. Alright. Did you guys get anything yet? I'm like, it's taking me forever.
Yeah, I don't know if it's right though. I got 14 point something. That's not right, right?
I got negative 2.282.
Yeah, that's something wrong.
And I'm still working on it.
I don't know how I got that.
Oh my god.
Hold up. Wait a second. I'm gonna get that wrong.
It's just 0.6, right? Not 0.06.
Yeah, 0.6. So. Wait. Is it P hat minus P or P minus P hat?
P hat minus P.
Wait, you got, what did you get, Scotland? Did you get negative 2.28 something something?
Yeah.
Okay, I got that.
Give me 1 second. I just want to see if I can get it.
All right. Yeah, I'm still.
Sorry, Scotland. I feel like we just hold you up all the time. She's like, well, I already did the quiz, and so.
Pretty much.
No, I didn't get it. Whatever.
I mean, at least you know how to do it. You know the equation. It's just
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Mm.
I'll just keep practicing on my own time.
You know how to find the standard deviation. You've done it before, and then you just do P hat minus P on the top, and then divide it by the standard deviation.
Yeah. Okay, so
You know what it is?
it's negative 2.282, right?
Yes.
Okay, so then we plug that in. And what are we doing? Are we doing everything to the left again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, since it's negative.
So
Okay.
it's 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I think we've had that answer before. Okay, and so since it's less than the
No.
yeah, then I always forget.
Reject it, right?
Reject it.
We were,
Sweet.
yeah.
Which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of the test? Oh, And so if we reject it, then there is sufficient, right?
Uh-huh.
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that. Wait, why are the bottom two? Oh, wait. What's the difference? Oh, wait, has decreased or not decreased. So is it?
There is sufficient evidence that it has decreased, right?
Yeah, that's what I
The
put.
second one.
Wait, the second one?
Oh, sorry. I read
The
that wrong.
first one.
No, the first one.
Okay.
Okay, sweet.
All right. So I'm gonna push submit now.
Yay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So now we need to talk about our project.
Do we want to talk about on live air, or do we want to talk about it?
Oh yeah. Let's get off live.
Yeah, I've got the document here.